What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. I want to wish everyone a happy Christmas, and if I don't upload anything until next year, then a happy new year, I guess, early, just in case. Today we're going to be detailing the RSX. I bought a bunch of detail products for it. I'm going to show you guys. I even bought the foam cannon. Let's give it this first wash. It's been raining for like 3 days, and let's get to the detailing of it because the paint job is mint. Let's do it. All right, guys, so this is some of the cleaning product I bought. This is all from Chemical Guys. This is the clay luber, the clean slate, and the butter wax. I also bought a Chemical Guys chamois, and I also bought this for when I put it in the bucket I can scrub it down. This is the clay bar, and I just have here a bunch of towels and stuff like that to clean it. I also bought the Chemical Guy foam cannon, and I'll show you guys how that's gonna work. And I also bought the bucket. So I'm gonna start prepping everything, prepping the foam cannon, and let's go into, I guess, a little bit of cinematic. I'm just gonna spray it down and see how it works. Alright, guys, so I just finished washing it. I'm hitting it I'm hitting it with the wax now. I still gotta clean the glass, but I hit the fender. This is the fender. Look at that, how it looks with that wax. And look at that door. You can practically see me in it. It's crazy. I'm gonna keep doing the wax and I'll come back to you guys. I just didn't want to burn through like the whole SD card doing a time lapse, but here's a full look of it. I'm gonna rub off the wax now on the hood. Alright, so the product that I'm using is the butter wet wax from Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys, if you guys are watching the video, please sponsor me. I need a little bit of more washing stuff. I'm just messing around. Yeah, I ended up buying like $175 worth of cleaning stuff. And look at this paint. You can see me on it. It's like glass. I'm gonna start hitting that quarter panel, and then I'll move on to the back of the car, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, so short video just because it's Christmas and everyone's getting ready to eat. So it is washed, waxed, and I did clay the hood. I did clay this fender. Now I gotta do the rest. I could feel it. Oof, big time, big time. I could feel it. Holy crap. And I actually did the clay wrong. I actually wetted the clay. I mean, I hit it with the spray and then I wetted to take it off. You're not supposed to wet it. You're supposed to clay it and then just wipe it with a microfiber. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Don't get me wrong, this car has its flaws. Look at this little paint chips here. I gotta still pass that. Look, all that is paint chip, little chips from rocks. That's gotta get done, and it has its little things like here, stuff like that. Other than that, she looks amazing. She looks beautiful. I can't believe I'm so happy I got this car. Look at this tail lights. Look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. Holy crap. It just looks great. honestly, it's been a hell of a 2 months. It's been a hell of two to 3 months. It's been hell and back. And also, even going back to 2 years, it's been hell and back. Things that are just personal that I don't get into it in the channel, but they've been hell and back. So, you know, it's like I always say in the videos, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Just keep grinding and doing your stuff. This is the outcome right here. DC5 RSX Type S, one owner, garage kept, 110,000 miles. The car has never left Florida. The car has never left Miami. All its manual, all its paperwork is straight from the dealer. I feel like it's such a blessing. The hatch is gone. The hatch is no longer with us, but we ended up with this, and I couldn't be happier. This is one of my dream cars. My dream car, I don't really have. There's a few that I have, but that's it right there. Gonna look for some seats, start doing the Type R parts. I don't really want to go too deep into this car. This is a one-owner car, so for me, I wouldn't say it's an investment, but I don't want to do anything crazy to it. I don't want to tear into it. I am gonna do coilovers, but I'm not gonna super slam this car. It's gonna have a nice ride with some nice wheels and some nice performance upgrades, and I am definitely not tucking anything on this engine. There's not gonna be no wire tuck. There's not gonna be no power steering delete, no AC delete, none of that crap. I'm not into that anymore. I'm 34 years old, so I'm not into doing all that. No, anything against K-Tune or any of these companies, I'm just not doing that. I'm not going that route. But anyways, I hope you guys liked it. I'll give you a quick little B-roll of the car so you can see how good the wax came out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for tuning in.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.